convert 2D or 3D CAD files to Sigmatek parts. Runs continuously in the background on a server. Populate inventory or work orders using ERP or MRP output. Universal compatibility with any business system. 40+ transactions to create or load parts, manipulate work orders, or update inventory. Files are consumed and data processed in real time. Results are available immediately for programmers. Reduce programming errors by fully automating data exchange. Undefined work order parts contain transaction data and await geometry. Flexible handling for CAD drawings with issues. Invalid files are separated and transaction is treated as an error. Alternatively, invalid files can be allowed to create parts. Conversion succeeds, allowing programming to continue. Correct geometry issues using Sigmatek CAD. Transfer rejected part information from color offload. Provide ERP or MRP feedback on program completion. Scrapped part quantities are updated and ready to recut. Inventory quantities are adjusted and remnant geometry added.